I would say a brain injury is like a snowflake. Snowflakes are all different. And that's what brain injury is, it's different.
Come on, get to work. This village doesn't go by itself. You all need to be doing this. What's up with your face?
Just walked into a glass door.
She's just walked into a glass door. Nice.
Hello and welcome to today's music class, and watch carefully, it doesn't end very well.
Good afternoon, everyone. We've got someone new today, haven't we?
That's me. I'm Beatrice.
Hi. And have you got your instrument with you?
I do, yes. I have my trumpet. I've been playing it since I was 8. It's actually a family heirloom.
Oh.
That could be very valuable, you know.
Yeah.
Excellent. Well, welcome to the class. Today we're going to be working on composition.
I know what that is.
I should hope we all do. Don't you take this class seriously? You do, don't you?
Him, seriously, is one word for it.
Listen, I was about to say, a composition is a musical piece performed with many instruments in a rhythmic tone. It can have a 4/4 beat or a 3/4 beat, but it's normally a rhythmic arrangement.
Sir, my hand's up.
Yes, why though? This isn't school.
Sir.
Oh, well, what do you want to say?
No, please don't.
I wanted to say that is not what a composition is. I'm an artist, and a composition is when you set up objects together.
Just to remind you again, he said it was numbers 3 and 4. Numbers are my business, right?
So are you happy with that, Matthew?
No, you set up an object to draw, like apples and pears. I've shown you, have I shown you any of mine that I did last week? And the art teacher says it was really good. She really liked the colours and she liked the composition.
Can we get back to the music class? The music class.
Exactly.
I don't have enough time. I don't have enough opportunities for my music.
Yeah.
You'll be lucky. 20 minutes we spent last week hearing about his holiday to Vienna. Just because we played some Mozart.
20 minutes?
Are you a good solicitor?
No.
Well, we're not going to sue him
No.
for the 20 minutes, but I think we better get on with class.
Absolutely, sir. I take my music very seriously, and that's why I wanted to make sure that we weren't getting mixed up with all this talk about compositions. I've been coming to evening classes here for a few years now, and when I did their cookery class, let me tell you, there were a few times things got mixed up and it was not pretty.
Things won't be pretty if you don't shut up.
What has this got
Yes,
to do
what have-
with music?
That is the $1,000,000 question, Beatrice. Thank you. Matthew, we should probably just get started, okay?
Just let me tell you about the trifle. They say cheese should not go into it.
No, no. I think we're just going to start. Okay? Right, so everyone, come on. Let's not waste any more time. Instruments up. I'm going to count you in here, okay? So it's a 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Oh! Matthew!
Your xylophone stick is going to do my trumpet. How could you be so careless?
Exactly.
Is it stuck?
Yes.
I'm sorry, I
Seriously.
don't know how that happened.
You weren't paying
Oh,
attention.
I was, I think.
You think? Huh?
Oh, dear.
Well, what are you going to do now?
I can try to get it out.
I wouldn't let him go near a family heirloom.
Certainly not.
Then I don't know, sir.
You don't know. This really isn't good enough.
I'd be claiming compensation, me.
Oh my God. Serious, of course. Not good, not good, not good.
Hello, me.
I know a good solicitor.
I don't have any money. I can't afford to replace a trumpet.
Should have been more careful.
Sir, can the college pay? It did happen as part of the class.
Seriously.
To be
Really?
honest, last time this happened, the student went to prison for destruction of property.
No, I can't go to prison.
Yeah, but there may be another way. So, Beatrice, may I please take your trumpet to an instrument specialist that I know?
So long as they take proper care of it.
They will make it good as new, I promise.
So I won't go to prison.
Well, you know what? I think we can arrange for that, Matthew, but it was a close call and you need to learn from it. The problem is too much talking and not paying attention. Could you agree to talk less if it saves you from prison?
Oh yeah, I'll definitely. I'll stop talking altogether. I'll start right now.
Now that's music to my ears.
Lady.
Hello, my name is Chandip, but I like people to call me Chaz. I'm 33 years old, gonna be 34 this November. I had my brain injury by basically having a cerebral brain hemorrhage. I had that when I was 11 years old, so that's what, 22 years ago now. So for most of my life, I've been living with a brain injury. I often get discriminated against, and you know, that does upset me, because I think, you know, why are people treating me so differently? But my friends understand my brain injury because they treat me as a normal person, as any other person. They, you know, they look past the walking frame that I use. You know, they look past the way I move. They look past the way that I speak. You know, and they look at me inside. What is she inside? And since doing drama, I'm really grateful that I actually agreed to do drama, because I was kind of a bit reluctant about doing it because I didn't really like drama in school. But this drama that we're doing with the Blue Elephant class, they're much better because, you know, we get to improvise and we get to make our own characters. And I think, you know, it's really good for my mental health. And it's really good for my creativity because I'm doing a writing course and sometimes on another day, and sometimes that. Sometimes what we do in drama will influence on what I'm writing and vice versa as well. So I think that's really, really good. And plus, it makes me feel really good as well. You know, when I'm doing it, you know, I think it's the endorphins in your brain, you know, that feel-good chemical. It surely, I think, it increases when I'm doing drama. So yeah, I really, really enjoy it, and I look forward to it every week.
Well, my name's Husamuddin Hussain. I had a brain injury when I was 26 years old back in 2008. And a part of that has just been trying to deal with it all this time now. I've got my head around actually having a brain injury. I'm not questioning it anymore. Just glad to know how to get on with life. It has its struggles, but apart from that, I know I can do what I need to do. As long as I have to support my family around me, which is great at the moment. But definitely I've made a lot of friends from Headway as well, which is a great support to me as well. We just have one big family, really. The only thing I have is I know I take much more time doing things, and some people might expect me to go at sort of their pace, which I can't do. So I have to tell them, like, I just have to go at my own pace. But I don't like being like people trying to do everything for me either. I like being as independent as possible as I can. And what I've got out of doing the drama is coming together with like-minded people and just putting together something that we can be proud of at the end of the day. Because this will go on forever. So if we can help other people, that'd be even a bonus.
Right, my name is Jane McDonough. I live in Peckham. I was born and brought up in Peckham. I fell down my stairs, which are quite steep. It was a loose stair carpet, which was my fault really, because I'm the only one who hoovered them, so I must have hoovered it really well into the radiator at the bottom. And I'd put the chain on the door because it was quite late. My son had to break the door down to get in because all he could see was blood when he looked through the letterbox to see what was wrong while I wasn't answering.
That must have been really scary.
It was for him, yeah. I wouldn't know I was unconscious though. And as I said, the NHS, apparently when I was in my coma, I nearly died a couple of times, but I'm still here. The wonders of the NHS, and you might be fed up going into hospital for 2 years, but I can't thank them enough. I miss my job though. I couldn't do it anymore. I do miss it because I couldn't climb up ladders. I like learning, I still do. You know, there's lots of things on this planet that we don't know about because we only live on a little island. And when in that advert they say we're part of something much bigger, well, of course we are. This is a lovely thing to do because you're somebody else. I'm not. Yes, I'm a method actor, you know, just like Marlon Brando. As I say, it makes you think. And it's all very, what's the word? Everyone participates in it. Everyone's got, if they've got to play, everyone's got a part.
What is that? When I get really upset, is, you know, I'm quite a friendly person, and you know, I like talking to like lots of people. But you know, they don't want with me, you know, talking to me. And then as soon as they see my brain injury ID card, and they see that I've had a brain injury, it's like they see it, and then the next time I see them, they vanish.
This teacher is having a laugh.
Yeah, she's late.
I've been looking forward to showing her my new palette knife. I've just used it on a job in David Beckham's house.
David Beckham's house? Are you sure?
Are you saying I'm lying? I'm a painter and a decorator to the stars, me.
And me.
Hi, sorry, is this the pottery class?
Mm-hmm.
Right, I just came to tell you your teacher's been delayed, so the class is going to start a little bit late.
Oh my
How
God.
late? I need to make some stuff to sell down the market.
Yeah, probably about 15 minutes.
That's ages.
I know, sorry. Listen, she'll probably make the class longer next week to make up for it.
I hope she does. We're missing out, and we paid for these classes. Money to throw away.
Sorry.
Money to throw away. I think we should start anyway.
How?
How? What sort of a question is that?
I think Mac means that all the materials are locked in the cabinet.
That is a point.
I can deal with that.
How? How?
Well, well, you know, there's a lot you can do with a palette knife.
What?
I can break into the cabinet.
Atta boy, we'll be flogging knickknacks down the market in no time.
No, no, no.
That's criminal damage.
Hey, we paid for these supplies, haven't we?
Yeah.
True, but we haven't paid to destroy a cabinet.
No. Wait till the teacher come back.
It'll be too late by the time they get here. Listen, I could sell everything we make.
And everyone gets a share.
As an accountant, I should warn you.
Everyone gets a share. That's a great idea.
Some of
That's
us are
true.
here just for a hobby.
But if you can make money at the same time.
I don't want guilt money.
It's not guilt money, it's tourist money.
What? So you put I Love London on everything and it just sells?
Pretty much. Foreigners love a bit of pottery.
I'm not sure you should say.
We'll be quids in.
No, no, no.
We'll make a bundle. You want it for your truffles, don't you, Mac?
No, no, no.
Just me again. Hi. I'm really sorry, but your teacher isn't going to make it today.
What?
Yeah.
How long can it be?
No, she's not going to make it before the end of the class. So, I mean, you can. It's up to you, but you can leave if you want to.
Seriously?
Look, I'm sorry, I'm just the messenger.
Suppose we better go.
And leave with nothing to sell down the market.
Let me get my palette knife.
You can't be serious about breaking into the cabinet.
Of course I am, Charles. You said it yourself, Charles. We paid for the class. We paid for the materials. Why shouldn't we use them?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know.
No. It is wrong. It is wrong.
It's not wrong. It's enterprising.
It is wrong.
You just try. I've been a painter and decorator for years and years. I have muscles the size of your neck. So you just try and get in the way.
Outrageous.
We need to stop him.
Nice shirt.
We need to stop him.
Come on now.
You're making us look bad.
No, I'm just being a good student, really.
What?
It is wrong. I would not be a part of it.
Exactly. We're keeping our hands clean.
We have the right to these materials.
You are a scoundrel. You are a scoundrel.
Lillian, hold this and I can leave it like.
I'm not helping.
Mac, you take this.
No.
Fine, I'll do it myself. Ah, it broke.
It's almost like it's not a good idea to break into a cabinet.
No, I can't believe it. It's all bent. This is all your fault. If you had helped me, this wouldn't have happened.
If you hadn't been breaking into the cabinet, this wouldn't have happened.
That's not the point. You owe me a palette knife.
You are joking.
You've lost it, mate.
If it's your fault my knife is broken, you should get me a new one. Though it won't be so good as there was never at David Beckham's house.
You know what? I think I believe you now.
You believe him? Why?
Because he bent it like Beckham.
Hey!
But a normal person would have a full battery in them. So one morning they'll wake up with a full battery. They have a full battery, and in the day, obviously that battery gets used up. But for a person with a brain injury, because we suffer from neurofatigue, we wake up with half a battery, and it takes our bodies or our machine, it takes us more energy to do things, so that the half a battery is gonna go quicker. So, you know, and then obviously when you go to sleep, you recharge yourself. So a person with no brain injury, a normal person, their charger would charge their full weight up to 100% in the morning. But a person with a brain injury, our charger is faulty, so it doesn't charge us all the way up. So we go to sleep all night, but it doesn't necessarily mean we wake up with 100% battery. It could only be 50%, 40%. So we're going through the whole day with the 40% of battery.
Hi, my name's Stephen. I'm 27 years old. I'm an aspiring musician. Yes, I have a brain injury, but I don't let that stop me. I believe the sky's the limit. I believe the biggest challenges for me having a brain injury are that at times I feel tired, I can misunderstand instructions, and when I'm given directions, I can forget them sometimes. Drama helps me to express myself a little bit more. I am a musician, so I can incorporate that into my drama. I can show different sides of me, different character to myself. I can invent a new me, if I can say that. I like to smile, so I can show everybody my smile. And yeah, I love the company of others as well, so it's nice to join the community. I found the drama group very helpful, very enjoyable. It's brought out a little bit more of my creativity, helped me be more imaginative. I believe it's helped me to put my thoughts down on paper sometimes. Yeah. I'm Jason, and I'm a music teacher. I'm a hopeless romantic. I go to the gym 5 times a week. I love making music, and that's about me.
Right, good morning. My name is Tony Tarplett, and I'm 56. I suffered a head injury in the past, and I'll tell you a little bit about my head injury if you want me to. I was 12 years old, going swimming down in Lewisham, and I got off the train at Lewisham train station, came down the train hill, and went across the road between 2 parked lorries, and I stuck my head out to see whether anything was coming, and wallop, the car hit me. I was in a coma for 16 weeks. As I mentioned, I've been a member of Headway since 1977, and that is Headway SELNWK. Challenges of a brain injury are manyfold, but remember, I was only 12 years old when I had my accident. So the difference between having a brain injury when you're an adult to having it when you're a child is, from a child's point of view, is you don't know what an adult was supposed to be like. I find that drama gives you the opportunity to use your imagination to create a character, which I've enjoyed, and I've created several characters in these performances, and I can sort of put my imagination into them.
My name is Angie Collie James, retired independent reviewing officer. I am 63, and I am cinema long time, Coco Big, cinema headway, and volunteering.
What has been the biggest challenge for you after having the stroke and having the acquired brain injury?
Me. Oh God. Yeah. Speak not me. I speak and no noise.
Do you know what you want to say, but it's not coming
Yes,
out?
yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
How does that make you feel?
Ah, wow. Oh, wow. Annoyed. 3 years. And then I calm down later. Yeah. Oh God.
Oh, I'm sorry. This was not meant to make you cry.
Ah, God.
You're not going to want to talk to me again, Angie?
No. Memories. Memories. And then me and then me, I practice. Yeah.
How does the drama class help you?
Good.
You like it?
Yes. Wonderful. Yes. Me, child.
You like acting?
Yes.
You like getting into character?
Yes. And then oh, hello. What is it?
Excuse me, I'm looking for a copy of.
One moment.
All right.
Are you waiting?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Is somebody serving? Only I have to get to my class.
Serving is one word for it.
This library is always the same, so slow.
What class are you rushing to?
Oh, it's pottery. I'm the teacher. I'm late, but I'm sure the students will be fine. This is an adult college after all.
You.
Me? Oh, I'm looking for a book about France, please. A tourist book. I'm hoping to go there for a holiday.
France? Overrated.
Oh?
Don't mind her. I've been to a few places in France, and it's been lovely.
I have houses here. Overrated. The French.
You can't say that.
Where are your houses?
Paris, Venice, Nice.
Which airline do you use for Paris? I was looking at Ryanair, but they plonk you miles away.
Airline? Private jet.
Private jet? Well, for some.
Lottery.
You won the lottery? You're kidding.
You won the lottery and you work here?
Well, work is a loose term, to be fair.
I like books.
Actually, I have some to return and I really need to go.
Overdue.
I know, but just a couple of days. Can I pay the fine next time?
No.
Just until payday. Unless you could, cover it for me. Sounds like you're not short of a few quid.
That's some brass neck.
It's cheeky.
Fine. Here's the money. I guess I'll just walk home tonight. Thanks for nothing. I'll teach my class now. It's actually my second job, so I can afford my mortgage. So I work about 60 hours a week. But that's fine. We can't all win the lottery.
Right. So, am I able to get a book about France, please?
Break time.
One of the oddest things about having a brain injury was my balance. I need a walking stick. There's nothing wrong with my legs.
Yeah.
And I can't do the reggae as I used to either. I got told I was good at
It affects the brain. It's so complex. There's so many different parts to the brain. The brain is like a hard drive to a computer. If the hard drive is something is damaged in the hard drive, the computer won't work. That's the same with your brain. If your brain is damaged, it won't work properly. And I hear so many people saying, oh, blah, blah, blah. Oh, my nephew or my partner or my niece or my daughter, she has a brain injury too. She doesn't have the problem you're saying you have. Well, that's the thing about brain injury. It affects everyone differently. And I think that is what is so hard to describe. I think, brain injury just affects everyone differently.
Basically, all I'd say to people is don't judge a book by its cover. We're all quite capable people, but some people are a little bit more slower in responding and not got as much experience of using the skills that we could teach them, or so don't judge a book by its cover.
We would like to thank Headway SELNWK for their support over the course of this project. Headway SELNWK is affiliated to Headway UK, but works specifically in South East London and North West Kent. They work to increase awareness of brain injury and its consequences, and to provide information and support for people with brain injury and their relatives and carers. And they've been absolutely amazing during the course of this project. So thank you, Headway SELNWK.
We would like to thank the Blue Elephant Theatre for bringing this innovative opportunity to us. Not only has it helped our members with their recovery, it's given them a focus, some light during a very dark time during lockdown. Thank you, Neve, for writing a fantastic script with our members, and Joe for the amazing facilitation, overcoming any barriers we came across to enable all of our members to fully participate, regardless of their needs.
And of course, we would like to thank Trish, who has spearheaded this project from conception to final outcome. She has been the backbone of this work, and it wouldn't have happened without her. Thank you, Trish.
Thank you. Thank you, Joe. Thank you, Blue Elephant Theatre. Thank you, everybody. Last but not least, we want to thank all of our actors, or our SELNWK Elephants, who have put their hearts and souls into this project. You are the shining stars. You have shared your personal stories and given a peek into what it's like living with an acquired brain injury. There remain so many people in our communities who are not aware of what an acquired brain injury or ABI is, and some of them are living with an ABI. We hope this film helps educate and encourage that whilst life after an ABI will be different, it can be so fulfilling, just in a different way.
We'd also like to say an enormous and important thank you to our funders. That's Mrs. Smith and Mount Trust. Obviously, without you, this wouldn't have happened at all. And we want to say thank you for taking your chance with us. And we really hope that you enjoy this film and you see all of the wonderful benefits that it's given to the members of Headway. So thank you, Mrs. Smith and Mount Trust.
Thank you.